Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play the Super Mario World Castle theme on piano. We will begin by focusing on the iconic main melody, primarily played with your right hand. Find middle C on your piano, then position your hand to comfortably reach the starting notes. This theme often begins with a memorable, slightly eerie descending phrase. Practice these initial notes slowly to ensure accuracy and a consistent rhythm. Next, we will add depth to your performance by incorporating the left hand accompaniment. The left hand typically plays repeating chord patterns that provide a rich harmonic foundation. You will often encounter chords such as G major, C minor, F sharp minor, and F minor. Focus on coordinating both hands, allowing the left hand chords to seamlessly support and enhance the right hand melody. Practice slowly to synchronize your movements. To truly bring the castle theme to life, focus on expressive playing. Experiment with dynamics, playing certain sections softly to create suspense and others with more intensity. Pay attention to articulation. Use staccato for detached, crisp notes and legato for smooth, connected phrases. Aim for a consistent tempo, perhaps around 90 beats per minute, to perfectly capture the theme's distinctive, slightly unsettling atmosphere. Finally, consistent practice is key to mastering this piece. Break the theme into smaller, manageable segments and practice each one repeatedly at a slow tempo. Gradually increase your speed as your confidence grows. Listening to the original Super Mario World Castle theme will help you internalize its unique rhythm and overall musicality. With dedicated practice, you will soon be playing this iconic piece with confidence and flair.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.